I remember. Okay, so this time I'll be asking people to type in your balances. I think somebody typed in same balances last time, right? Okay, type your total debit, please, and credit here. All right. Okay, start, and let's compare if they are correct. Type your total debit and credit here in the chat. Okay, I think two people gave like the same answer last time, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so we have from Nehal 36770. Okay, who else would like to give an answer? Okay, come on. Type it in. We have $1 million cash prize for the winner. I'm just joking, okay? All right, who else? For Nehal, it's 3640. For Batana, it's 36675. Close. Very close. Six, 675 is almost, yeah, very close. Any other answer? I want to see probably an answer that are, you know, the same. Okay, let's find out. Okay, who else would like to write down the answer? Anyone else? I'm waiting for probably one more. One more. One or two. Or three. Who else has an answer? 36770 for Nihal. Vakana is 36675. If your answer is the same, you can type that in as well. So we can see which one is similar. I don't feel comfortable with headphone actually. Vicky has 3667. Okay, so I found that there are two answers that are the same. Okay, so let's take this up. I'm going to take this up to you, and I want you guys to listen very carefully. For those who are finished, compare your answers if they are right. Okay. All right. Okay, so let me try to open this up. So the first part is okay. We know this one. Let me just see so that I will not be mistaken in. Actually, everything is here. Okay, probably the transactions. Okay, transactions. Okay. All right, so let's do it together. If you guys want to take a photo of this, for those who want to follow me as I discuss it, take a photo. Okay. All right. So let's begin by answering this one. Okay, so let's start. Uh, since there is no beginning balances, guys, we are just going to enter all the transactions that we have from August 1st to August 14th, right? August 1st to August 14th. So August 1st, our stocks invested $35,000 cash. Look at what I'm going to do. Ask question if there is, all right? So of course, cash will go up by 35,000, and that is your August. Okay, August is the 8th month, right? August 1st. All right. And of course, corresponding to that is the capital credit. Every time that there is an investment, cash, and then capital. Okay. A one. Okay. Do you have a question about that? We guys good. Speak also so I can proceed. Do you see it clearly or do you want me to zoom it a bit? Speak out, guys. Speak out.
Little bit soon, sir.
Little bit soon. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's make it like this. Uh, okay. How about this? This one is better?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, better. Thank you. Okay, August 2nd. Purchase equipment for $2,000 cash. Okay, so we bought an equipment. Of course, our cash will go down by 2,000 because we use it to pay for the equipment, and this is August the 2nd. right? And then of course, because we bought an equipment, our equipment will increase by 2,000. Asset, debit, increase, right? So that is uh, August 2nd, right? And then the next instruction is the fourth. Purchase two cars from Dardic Motors for $30,000 cash. Cash is getting like we only have 35 before. We spend, we paid for 2,000 and we paid for another 30,000. Oh my, cash is running out. 30,000 and this is your August the 4th, right? August the 4th. Of course, we bought a car, therefore it's under automobile, okay? 30,000. Our asset increase in the form of an automobile or car. It's August the 4th. Okay, do you have any question about that? So far, so good. Okay, if there's no question, I'm going to move on, okay? Number 5, or August the 5th. Received 700 cash from customers driving lesson. So they did not say that the customer owe us before. This is simply a cash customer. Okay, meaning after performing the service, the customer paid us money, so we will receive that as cash. Okay? All right, I'll put cash at 700, and this is your August uh, the 5th. And then of course, because that's what's that? A service that we did. This is like a revenue, treated as revenue amounting to $700, and this is also your August the 5th. Okay, 5th. Okay, is there any questions so far? Do not be shy if you have a question. Okay, so I'll go now to number 7 or August 7th. Paid $700 cash for instructor salary for the first week. So we paid that. So of course our cash will go down because we use cash. The amount is 700, and that is August 7th. Okay, what kind of expense is that, guys? If we are going to categorize, is it advertising, automobile expense, or salaries expense, or utilities? We pay the instructor's salary. So I think it's very clear. All right. Of course, that is called salaries expense amounting to $700. This is your August 7th. August 7th transaction. Okay. Is there any question about the August 7th? Always remember that expenses are always debit because they decrease the owner's equity. Okay, that's the effect of expenses to OE. All right. Okay. Now let's go to the ninth. Paid $45 cash to the telephone company. Okay. Oh, what kind of expense is the telephone? Is it automobile, salaries, or utilities? What kind of expense is that? It's very clear. Okay. It is utilities expense. If there is no telephone expense given, guys, you can put that under utilities expense. All right. 45, and that is your August 9. And then, of course, the other 45, because you use cash to pay it, we will put 40, or sorry, what's that? $45 credit here in cash. That is August 9th. Okay. Ask if there's a question before I go. All right, so I'll go into the next. The 10th. Receive 800 cash from customers taking driving lessons. So this is also another cash customer, okay? Cash customer. They did not say that this customer owes us before, okay? Normally the word on account will be there, the word on account. If it's accounts receivable, because it's not, it's treated as cash customer. So we got 800 here, 800 cash, and that is August 10, 8, 10. And then of course, because that's a lesson, all right. So the effect of that is a revenue from lessons. Okay, I'll put 800 over here, and that is the August the 10th. Okay, interrupt me if there's a question. Okay, all right. Now I'll go now to the next one, which is 11. Issue the bill of $100, $100 to L-Star, who is taking lessons but will pay at a later date. I think it was asked by someone last time, right? Okay, so this time it's not a cash customer. We perform the service through the customer named L-Star, but he's paying it next time. Probably this person, what's this? Uh, it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes the company is expecting like credit kind of like sales. So in this case, there will be like an accounts receivable. I'll look at this one. AR means accounts receivable, and the name of the customer is there. So we will collect from him 100 in the future. That's why it's a debit. It's an asset, guys. Accounts receivable, and then okay, and it is considered as your revenue from lesson. Okay, $100 over here, and that is August the 11th. Uh, ask if there's a question. All right. Okay, I'll move now to the next. Received a bill for $75. This is the difference between the word issued and received a bill. Do you see that? Look at that one. When we are the one who issued or who gave the bill, that is an accounts receivable in our part. Okay? But when we received a bill, that means we have to pay the bill. And in that way, it's called an accounts payable. Again, when we issued a bill to the customer, the meaning of that is an accounts receivable that we will collect from the customer. But when we receive the bill, okay, we have to pay the bill and it is treated as an accounts payable. So in this case, why do we have an accounts payable? Because we have, oh yeah, we are, okay, we went to Grants Esso for gas and oil. So in short, okay, what kind of expense is that? Do we have automobile? There you go, automobile expense, okay? Automobile expense is 75. Let's debit always, guys, for an expense. That's 811. And of course, because we did not release cash, okay, it's just a bill, it will be an accounts payable amounting to $75. See, the word grants ESO is there. I think we tried to indicate a specific name last time, right? This is your August 11th. Any questions so far? So far, so good? Okay, now let's go to the 12th. Paid $95 cash for hydro and electricity. So what kind of expense is that? Hydro and electricity that is treated as your utilities expense. We cannot put that in salaries. We cannot put that under automobile. We cannot put that under advertising. So the best category is called utilities expense, all right? So we will put that as $95, and that is your, oops, the first one is August 9, the second one is August the 12th, right? August 12th, all right? Did we pay cash for this or we will pay them later? August 12th, cash, okay? You can see that there. So therefore our cash will go down or decrease by $95. So this is our, what's this? August 12th. Okay, now let's move to the next August 13th. Sent a $290 check to the Daily Star for advertising space. Listen to this, guys. Daily Star is the name of an advertising company. Okay? They tried to advertise for us, and of course, our part, we gave them check. All right. In accounting, guys, when we sent a check, when we issued a check, when we gave a check, that is considered as cash payment. Do not forget that. When we issue a check, that is a cash payment to the to whoever that agency that is. All right. So in short, our cash will decrease by 290, 290, and this is on the 13th, August 13th. And of course, what kind of expense did we pay? You pick from here. I can see it's very clear. It's called advertising expense. And let's put the 290 over here. It's always debit, guys, because expenses can decrease the owner's equity. All right? And this is 813. Now let's go to the number 14 or August 14th. Receive 100 cash from Elstar in payment of a bill sent previously. Okay. So August 14th and August 11th, the first August 11th, guys, are connected. On the 11th, Elstar is not paying yet. We are expecting that we will collect it from him, but on the 14th, he paid us cash. Okay. So what's going to happen to our cash then? Of course, it will increase by $100, right? And that is August the 14th. And what's going to happen to the accounts receivable Elstar? Will it increase or decrease? Mm,
Decrease.
it will decrease. Very good. Because there is a payment made, okay? So it will decrease by 100. So if I ask you how much does AR Elstar owe us? Does he still owe us? Elstar, guys? He owes us 100 and he pay 100. Does he still owe us? And the answer is yes or no. I don't know if people are shy to answer.
No, no.
Okay, it's zero now, right? Okay, so this time, let's try to calculate. Let's see if it's really zero. Okay, from the cash account, let's add them all. 35 plus 700 plus 8 plus 100, and what's our sum? Okay, let me just show it. Sum. Okay, let's do it here. Okay, the sum is 36,600. Here, the sum is, let's see, enter 33,130. Okay, at least there is still cash. Okay, because this is bigger, we will put the balance here, okay? We will subtract 36,600 minus 33,130. Okay, let's do it. Equals this minus this. And then we got an answer, 3470. This is our balance. Let me make it bold, okay? Wow. Now let's go to our AR because there is 100 here debit and credit 100. It is 0. Okay, Elstar doesn't owe us anymore. Equipment the same, automobile the same, uh, liabilities same. Yes, are you listening? What's the mode then? The number. So the number is, wait, what is the mode? The number that occurs more frequently, right? Okay. Capital, sorry about that. So same. Revenue, okay, this one should be total to, okay, actually it's easy, 1/6. I can say 1/6. Advertising same, automobile same, salary same, utilities. Okay, this is the only thing This is 9 plus 4 is 9 plus 5 is 14. 140, right? Okay. Okay. So these are all the total. And now let's put them in your trial balance. Okay. All right. Okay. Title. What's the name for company? The name of the company is Stokes Driving School. All right. So let's put it there. Stokes Driving School. And then here we have trial balance. And then this one is, I think the date is, what's the last transaction? August 14. August 14 is the last transaction. So yeah, we will put that as August 14. August 13, 20 something, whatever. Okay, so that's the meaning of the hyphen there. 20 something meaning it could be 2018, 2020, 2020, whatever. Okay, let's start from cash. The cash amount is 3470. So let's put it here. Three, oops, 3470. Accounts receivable, nothing. Equipment is what's that? 2,000. Automobile 30,000. Let's see, 2,000 for equipment, 30,000 for automobile. Okay, accounts payable. What do we have? 75 here. Yeah, credit, right? 75. Capital. How much is capital? It's 35,000. Okay, afterwards, we have revenue from lessons. How much is our total? 1,600. Okay, 1,600. And then advertising expense, we have 290. Okay, 290 here. Oh, sorry, debit, because expense are always there. 290. Automobile expense is 75 here. And then salaries expense is here, 700, no change, just like one entry, so 700 here. And then utilities would be 140 here. Okay? Debit. 140. 140. And the moment of truth, let's see, guys, we're here now. Oh, who's gonna get the correct answer? All right, so I highlight them all and then close bracket. Okay, guys, come on. Do not close your eyes. Leave it open, leave it open. I'm gonna press enter now. 3675. Okay, let's apply it in the next column. This should be the same. If not, something is wrong. From here to here. I think I can see the correct answer now. Close bracket and enter. And 36675. Now let's go to our chat. Ooh, I can see some correct answer here. Okay, Vatana, Vicky, you got it right. Nehal, it's over by a little bit. Okay, so Nehal, what's the mistake?
I put one. I make mistake in 100. I don't know. I put it extra in something in liability in accounts payable.
Okay, I'll be careful with that. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
But so far so good. Okay, it's very close. What about the rest? The rest of the amounts are okay.
Yes. It
Like
was
cash.
good.
Okay, good. Good then. All right. Wow. Okay, is there any questions about? Okay, who got the same answer aside from Ratana and Vicky? Anyone else? Okay, so this is what I'm saying, guys. Yeah, whenever I give you a work to do, okay, let me just tap the something, all right, so that you can see. All right, so whenever I give you an exercise that you need to do, do not be complacent saying, oh, okay, my teacher will just discuss that this coming week, so let it just stay there. Okay, that's not right. You know what I'm saying? The reason why you guys need to do that is because when you're doing it, you are exploring it and you guys are learning on your own. Okay? Do not be complacent. Do not be like, wait until the teacher will do that. Better to have like an answer of your own, even if it's wrong, uh, so that when the teacher starts discussing, you guys can easily compare. Oh, that's my mistake. You know what I'm saying? That's one of the best habits that I want all students to develop because learning, guys, what is the principle? Learning by doing, right? Learning by doing it rather than like wait and then, you know, uh, and also, guys, it is very encouraging for us teachers as well when people are participating, especially when we ask questions. It's already kind of like, you know, um, online class, right? Sometimes it's kind of like, I can easily give you all the answers, but I don't want to do it. I want to explain to you so that you may be able to understand. But part of that, as I said, your part should be, I want you guys to answer that on your own first so that you will be ready when I do the discussion. And you can also participate, all right? And you may also ask questions along the way when we discuss it. All right, so I believe that you guys are ready now to do the assignment, correct? Okay. I'll treat that as a yes. Okay, anyways, I gave you like two, what's this? I gave you two assignments already, and I believe that these guys are already enough for you to do the assignment. Fatima, do you have a question?
Teacher, did you give me the midterm marks?
Let me say, have you not received them?
Did you give me midterm marks?
Yeah, I have a follow-up question. Have you not received them? Did you receive it or not?
Received. Yeah, that's why I'm asking.
Okay, all right. So while you're doing your assignment, I'm gonna send it to you. I think I sent the midterm marks of the other classes. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, so this is it. I'm giving you your assignment today. All right, and I want you to focus on that so that I may be able to send you your individual midterm mark.
Okay.
When will you see? Where will you see it? From your email. Okay. So in a few minutes, you will be receiving it individually.
Yeah, get my email, but I doesn't go there. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, no problem. Okay. So I think it's my bad. I'll be sending it to you in a few minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the basis for the assignment is only, I think it's or assignments 1 to 3 only. Okay. Assignment 4 is not included yet. That will be included in the next marking. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'll post to you. I'll post now the assignment, and you guys should be ready. Okay, you will be receiving your mark in a few minutes. Give me a second, okay?
Okay.
All right. So let me pull out the file. That is about Unit 5. Okay, let me just open this one. Unit 5. Okay, so I'll be posting this. Okay, give me a second. This is the question. Okay. And then, okay, and then I'll be opening just a second, one second. Let me just open another sheet. I have to write. Okay. Okay, so let me just put it there. Yes, 5. Okay, this one is Unit 5. assignment 5. Then let me add this one. Just one second. Okay, one more time. Okay, here and one more. Okay, this is good. Like, okay, the due date will be on Monday. Oh, when shall we see each other again? It's not Monday, right? It's Tuesday. Okay, Tuesday we see each other. But yeah, that's right. That's right. We'll see each other again on June 1st. Oh, really? It's June already? Time flies. Okay, so it is already posted, and let me share to you my screen, right? So you can see. All right. I'll give you some instructions before I let you do it on your own. Okay, you guys can see the screen? Okay, do you see it?
Yeah, teacher.
Okay, very nice. So you go to Unit 5, Assignment 5. Ignore your Unit 6 because I just posted it in advance. I thought we are going to move to that, but I haven't given you like an Assignment 5 yet. So Unit 5, Assignment 5. Okay, let's open the question. All right. So for those who wants to take a photo, you may take a photo now, but actually it's in your Google Classroom. Okay, so let me read. Okay, so this one is a little bit like missing, but I'll tell you what that is. On April 1st, Ted's Golfing School had the following accounts. Okay, this one is accounts, okay? Some with balances and some without. So when we say some with balances, there are some beginning balances. Okay, some do not have. Cash, beginning balance is 3,000. Accounts receivable, the name of the customer is P. Morse 150. Oh, there are two accounts receivable. So put it in the right place, okay? L. Troop, so he doesn't owe us anything. Maybe later. Equipment 4,700. Accounts payable from Jack's Repair Shop 750. T grade capital 7,100. Fees income nothing. There is no amount. Advertising, rent, up to utilities, no amount given at the beginning. Okay? So letter A. Set up the general ledger for Ted's Golfing School on April 1st and record the transactions listed below. So I set up a ledger already, or yeah, it's here. Okay, I put all of the accounts already. Okay, I put them all for you. So if you want to go under, it's there. Okay, sir, how can I see the trial balance? There is like a scroll here, left and right. Look at this. Click, hold, and move to the right so you can see it. All right. And then if you want to move to the left, click, hold, and move to the left. If you want to go up, there's like a scroll down here and scroll up. Here, click, down, okay, and up. I think I put an extra T here if there's like a missing account. All right. All right. So and I think everything is complete. Okay, so let's move up. Wait, click here and then move. If that works. Okay, right there. Okay, next instruction. Wait, what's the instruction says? Okay. So we will record all the transactions. Guys, begin with your beginning balances, all right? So if cash has 3,000 in it, put that immediately there. And the date for that is April 1st. All these beginning balances, okay? Date is April 1st. Now, letter B. On April 12, balance the accounts and prepare a trial balance, an income statement for the 2 weeks, and a balance sheet. Really? There's a lot. Okay, but let's see what I'm asking for you to do. Okay? So on April 12, the meaning of that is after recording transaction 12, from 2 to 12, okay? You guys have to find the balance of the accounts. Balance meaning how much remains. What's the new balance for cash after all these transactions? That's the meaning of that, okay? You prepare a trial balance. You know how to do that. Let's see if I will require you to prepare an income statement for 2 weeks and a balance sheet. Let me see the sheet again, okay? 1 second. Okay, so the blank sheet, guys, will ask you to do just the T account, the trial balance, and an income statement only. Okay, simple income statement, no balance sheet. Okay, don't do the balance sheet here. Don't do the balance sheet. Do you understand that? Yes or no?
So that means,
Yes.
Do you understand the instruction?
so, don't do balancing. That means, teacher, we have to do that only the trial sheet. The before
Trial
you,
balance
yeah, trial balance.
and income statement.
Okay.
Okay, but the balance sheet, the last one here, you see this one, right? And the
Yeah.
balance sheet, okay, this one, the balance sheet should be canceled. We don't need that today. I don't want you to do that. Okay,
Okay.
to make it shorter. Okay, all right. So again, guys, feel free to do it now while I am sending you your midterm mark. All right. Okay, I'll be quiet. I'm going to mute myself so I can do something over here, okay? And I'm gonna start presenting. Okay, if there's a question, feel free to ask, okay? All right. Start.
Our,
Use this part. Yeah,
teacher, this is the our assignment 5. Yeah.
this is your assignment 5. Yeah. Okay, so use this period as a work period, okay, for your assignment 5. While it's still fresh, it's better to do it now, okay? All right, so let me mute myself so I can send you your midterm mark. It's okay to ask question, okay, along the way if you have a question.
So you want us to do assignment 5 now, but when you want us to submit the unit 6,
Kalyab, what unit 6? What about unit 6?
you want us to do unit 5 now, but there's another one that's posted.
Oh, I just said it earlier that I posted it in advance, but don't touch it for now, okay?
Yeah, okay.
All right,
Okay.
okay? Again, guys, don't touch your unit 6 because we have not discussed that yet. I just posted it there, having the thought that we have finished unit 5 already, okay? All right, so ignore your unit 6. I want you guys to go to your assignment 5, unit 5, and that's the thing that you need to do today, okay? All right, so I'll be quiet now. Thank you.
Excuse me, sir. I
What
am
question? Yes,
leaving right
Luxita?
now because, yeah, I am leaving right now because I have an appointment.
I'm going to put a note to that, okay? Luxita? All right, so I'm going to
Yeah.
put a note that you have an appointment and you're leaving early. Okay, thank you,
Okay.
Luxita. You
Okay.
take care.
Thank you. Take care. Bye.
Okay, all right.
Sir, are we going to take this up together later on?
Which one?
The Unit 5.
We just took it up.
No, this one that we're doing now.
Oh, no, that's an assignment already.
Oh, okay.
Okay? All right.
Yeah.
So your example, Kolyab, is your practice 1 and practice 2.
Thank
All
you.
right?
Okay, yep.
Okay, no problem. Okay.
So where's the practice 1, practice 2 example for the one that we just did?
Yeah, and everything is in Google
But
Classroom.
where is it though? The practice 1, practice 2.
It's there. Just go to your Google Classroom. So the first one is found in Unit 5. Explore. Kolyab, explore your Google Classroom. Everything is there.
Unit 5. Okay.
Okay? Just go there. Everything is in there. Okay, let me show you. Okay. All right. Do you see my screen, Kolyab?
Oh yeah, I found it.
You found it now? Okay, good. Very good.